Everybody, welcome back to Soft Wash Evolution. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly why you should be starting your own professional pressure washing and soft washing side hustle this year. Exterior cleaning businesses are in extremely high demand all across the country. If you're looking to get started, about $1,500 worth of equipment can get your foot in the door and get you start making money right away. So if you're looking to get started in a business that doesn't require a lot of experience, a college degree, and definitely doesn't need a huge crew of employees, this could be for you. It is in high demand everywhere. Homeowners and business owners need exterior cleaning, and it is recurring. Once they book with you once, they're going to need to keep doing it. Cleaning is not a one-time deal. It's recurring. It has to keep happening. Tickets keep coming in as long as you have a good reputation, know what you're doing, do a good job. The results are almost instant, which is why customers love it. They have a dirty house, a dirty business, a dirty driveway, a dirty roof. You clean it, the results are instant. They see that, they'll be willing to pay more. It's a flexible schedule. Like I said, if you start as a side hustle, maybe you're working a full-time job or a part-time job right now, you could do this on the side. You can work weekends, you can work into the evenings, especially commercial. You can even do in the middle of the night. It's lit, or you can bring your own. If you have your own equipment, you can bring lights and work all night long if you want to. The employees are the big part. You don't need to start with a crew. This can be done on your own. You can scale this all the way up to being a six-figure business on your own as a solo operator. The equipment's very cheap, like I said, to get started. I have a series of videos coming out, a series of 3 about equipment, how you can get started with that $1,500, every piece of equipment you need. As you grow, scale that up. You'll have to spend a little more money, build your business up as you're making more, and then at level 3, take it all the way up to the huge truck and trailer rig. But I've also got videos coming out in this series about what not to do. That is very, very important. The steps you need to take in order. Don't go spending a ton of money at first. I'm going to keep you scaled. You're going to start with a low amount of money, work your way up as you're building money, as you're adding customers, as you're growing your knowledge and your experience along the way. What not to do is very important. I'm going to have a video about why most of the wash businesses fail. You may think it's an oversaturated market because you see all the people on YouTube or all over Facebook posting constantly. There are a lot of people doing it. A lot of them are doing it wrong. They're failing for specific reasons. I have videos about that that's going to be along this series. So make sure you like and subscribe. I'm going to drop these videos one at a time, but I'll put them in a playlist. So if you're subscribed, you'll get the notifications when these videos come out. Thanks for watching.